Back in March, winds nearly 70 miles per hour knocked out power to 1 million people and brought down trees in neighborhoods all across Metro Detroit. Well, much of that debris still hasn't been cleaned up near 8 Mile in Livernois. Sean Lay joins us live in Northwest Detroit. And Sean, that's not the only issue in this neighborhood. My goodness.
Kimberly, you are correct. And who could forget that Wednesday when those winds came whipping through? That was back in March. Still, we're seeing two issues out here. Lots of wind debris. Branches out here, they look like birds' nests, giant ones all over this neighborhood. Eventually, this stuff is going to get picked up. The second problem out here is the garbage that's being put down.
Just getting the copper, aluminum. I like to leave stuff behind.
Scrappers zeroing in on a Detroit neighborhood.
I get done doing my thing, I just put it back.
And the talk is about bulk pickup in this northwest portion of the city.
The bulks, it's not that bad, but it's still out here. They need to pick it up.
Big items for bulk pickup are being picked up by the city.
But they've been picking it up.
That's good news.
It's been no problems here.
What's taking longer for bulk pickup to get to branches from March's windstorm. The district manager here says the piles of branches and limbs have to be picked up by hand, and it's taking longer, especially if the branches are too heavy. Another big problem here?
The dumping that other neighborhoods come and dump on.
Why do they do that?
That's a good question. I try to catch them because I'm home most of the day.
The city of Detroit is desperately trying to catch illegal dumpers, contractors too. The area south of 8 Mile in Norfolk is loaded with dump after dump, and neighbors are sick of it. Hazel Flood is doing exactly what the city asks, documenting the dumps.
When we see blight in the neighborhoods, we report it to Improve Detroit.
But now her neighborhood is becoming a dumping ground, and neighbors need help.
So I feel that in order for our community to be clean and safe again, we all have to play an active role. But that also includes the city officials helping us too.
One city official, the district manager out here for District 2, is saying, look, if you can kind of bag up that windstorm damage like this, they can pick it up a lot easier. If not, it's going to take a long time for them to come by, break it up, the big branches, then get it in the truck. Second thing we talked about, the illegal dumping. City is so serious about catching them just off of 8 Mile here, they're thinking about putting out some surveillance teams. Kimberly?
See if that makes a difference. All right, Sean.